Hey Explorers, today I am at the Wizarding World Cafe here in Tokyo. I am really excited to be here and I am really looking forward to it. And this is the very first official Harry Potter cafe in the world. I know there's other ones out there, but this is the first official one. And this is only here for a limited time until January 31st, 2019. And the one here in Tokyo is on the 5th floor of the My Lord department store, which is at Shinjuku Station. And it's really easy to find. All you have to do is go out the east exit of Shinjuku Station and turn right, and you'll see the My Lord there. And it's by reservation only, or if you line up early in the morning, you can get a ticket to come back at a different time. And don't worry, I'll put links in the description on how to get here and everything. Right, Explorers, I just sat down and I'm going to enjoy my drink and also my pancakes, so I'm really excited to give them a try. Alright, so I'm inside and I got my drink. I got a blended iced tea, which is Gryffindor. They have a bunch of other different drinks too, but I picked Gryffindor because that's my house. So, see that here? Looks good, I'm excited. It's very refreshing. It's not overly sweet either, which I really like. Got some berries in there. You can see. Got the Gryffindor emblem on the top there. Very refreshing. Very refreshing. And look at the decor behind me. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. This is awesome. You'll also be given a random coaster, and this is the one that I got. I saw someone else got a Harry Potter one from the first movie. Nice little keepsake. They have a few things on the menu, and I ended up getting newt pancakes. You can see them down there. Not 100% sure what this is yet, but we'll find out. I got some maple syrup to put on the top. Do that. Okay, let's give this a try. It's really good. This is cotton candy. It's very thick cotton candy. Pancakes is quite nice. Quite some fluff here. We got the cookie. Doesn't look as pretty anymore, but it's actually quite nice. I like pancakes, so there you go. Once you're done at the cafe, there's a little merchandise shop that you can browse through. They have a whole bunch of different Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts merchandise. And there's some Fantastic Beasts little blind bags with little buttons there. That's really cool. I like that. More blind boxes. These are the Being One Existence blind boxes. They're so addicting. I'm not going to get started. I love it. Oh, there's some Harry Potter ones too. They have little fanny packs or bum bags, whatever you like to call them. The different houses. There's even little blind bags for postcards. It says there's 45 in all, so there's little bags here. Huh. And, ooh, water-absorbing coaster. Interesting. I'm a sucker for coasters, I really am. Oh, that's a hefty coaster, I like that. And of course, we have some of these Funko Pops. So I ended up getting the coasters. I got Gryffindor coasters. Nice little bag. Here's a really quick look at the coaster that I got. The water-absorbing coaster, Gryffindor. It's actually quite hefty too. I like that. Yes. All right, explorers, thank you so much for joining me today as I enjoyed the Wizarding World Cafe here in Shinjuku, Tokyo, Japan. And remember, it's only open until January 31st, 2019, so a very limited time. So hopefully you can get here and experience it. It's actually pretty fantastic. I loved it so much. I might have to go again. And remember, I'm gonna have links in the description and everything on how to make a reservation and all that fun stuff. So don't you worry. All right, explorers, until next time.